Hey guys, I'm going to be bringing you another video here today. As you guys can see on my screen, I'm going to be showing you some programming stuff. Not too much of the code and stuff like that, but I'm going to be showing you guys my Raven Security antivirus. I just created it like 2-3 months ago, and I've been working on it. On my channel, I usually have like other programs that I made, like my one Red Apple browser. If you guys seen that before. But yeah, that's one of my other things that I've created. Now, here you can see that it loads up all your drives. Here's a setting in here where I made it to load this as a custom scan location every time you start it up. So if I uncheck that and restart it, it won't be there. But yeah, you can edit that. But here you guys can see the main scan location options, and you can select like more locations, and it adds them. I can scan now. Let me do that. I'm gonna just do my desktop because it'll probably be the fastest scan now, and then it scans all the files on the desktop. If I close this, or it's still okay, there we go. If I close this, it'll open up a mini scanner so you can see the progress of it. But I'll go back and show you guys some more things. Once it's done, it'll go to scan results. Database, I'm not going to show you guys because it takes forever to load. I even have a warning in the settings: please wait for database to respond, because it just takes 3 to 4 minutes to load it, because there's 602 virus definitions, so it has to load all those in the text boxes that I have on the page, and it just takes forever. But here's like the updates and about section. You can see the like change log, and I'm gonna add some more things. I just have to figure out what I'm gonna be adding, really. But it just shows the basic information of the program. Here's the settings. You can edit any of these settings, but make sure to click save settings to make everything saved. I'll uncheck this because I don't really want that. But let's go back to settings to explain some of it. If you have this unchecked, and if Raven Security finds a virus, it won't alert you in a window saying this location blah blah blah. But yeah, if you have that checked, everything will be fine. Start up on boot. If you guys are gonna download this option will be already enabled. So if you guys are kind of irritated about it always starting up when your computer starts up, just uncheck that the next time and save settings. Real-time path scan. This basically, when you're not scanning something, like when you haven't actually clicked this button, it's going to be scanning the Windows directory constantly. So you can enable or disable that, but obviously you might want it enabled. Here's all your network information. I just thought that would be cool to include it into here. Find local drives, so when the program starts up, you'll find all your drives in that list box, the checked list box right here. So all your main drives, C, D, Y, Z, excuse me. As you guys can see, I have C, D, Y, Z, so it finds your drives for you. Start scan on start up. This is really easy to implement, but I just haven't got to it. But basically this means if this is checked, every time this program starts up, it'll scan all those locations as soon as it starts up. Program starts on scan, which the scan tab, so that's already done that. Now I already unchecked this, but if you have this checked, it'll add that scan location into your scan settings or whatever. So mine right now is still Windows, because that's like the most vulnerable folder in your computer, because that's where all the operating stuff is. But yeah, I think it's pretty sweet. I think I did a really good job on it. You can also empty recycle bin. See, my recycle bin is up here and it's full, so I can empty it right now. Raven Security securely emptied your recycle bin. Computer, Jacob PC, and it should say your name, but for some reason it doesn't now. But I'll try to fix that if it's really matters. But you click OK, and as you guys can see, I don't have anything in my recycle bin anymore. So yeah, I think it's pretty sweet. I'll open up the file location of this, and here's all the files. I don't know if you guys really care. Where is the database? It's right here. Here's the database file, so this is how it reads it. And I don't update this too often, but as soon as I find a hash for a real virus, I add it to here. But there's Like I said, 333,000 and some hashes that I got. But yeah, it finds them from that database. So I can try to click on database, but it'll sit here forever. Let's see how much time we have. 5 minutes. So I can still show you guys how it works, I guess. Let's open up Opera. I'm not quite sure if it'll actually find a virus right now. Like it's kind of weird. It like finds it, and then like the next time I try it, it doesn't do it. I don't know if it's a bug or not, but let's see if we can find this test virus. So I'm gonna download it right here, and okay, I just downloaded it when it's not supposed to. Right there it is. Let's delete it. I'm gonna enable Avast. I know I disabled it, but it finds it. Like if you have another antivirus, for some reason it finds it like again.
Threat has been
Okay,
detected.
there we go. So Avast shut this down, but since my program is not responding right now. Okay guys, like I said, the database, don't go to that tab unless you really want to check it out, but I'll run the program again and show you guys what I mean by this. So let's go up to Opera again. Let's go back, refresh the page, and I'm gonna download this. No data received. Maybe I'll try the .com.
Threat has
There
been
we go.
detected.
Now you guys can see if Avast catches it or any other antivirus, my antivirus catches it too as well. So it's kind of weird. So I don't know what I have in the coding that is messing it up like that, but most of the time it will find it by itself. But if you have Avast or any other one like enabled, it will get it every time, just like Avast will. So you can click see results, and you can see it's in this directory. So Avast already took care of it, but you can still remove it if you want. And it's removed, clear. And then Raven Security has quarantined this file and removed it from your machine. Click OK, and you're all good to go. Like I said, sometimes it doesn't find viruses and stop them like I just showed you guys, but like out of 10 times, it'll probably find it like 4 times. So I'm trying to figure that out, but yeah, this is my antivirus in VB.net, so it's made in Visual Basic code. It's not C# or C++ or any other code. It's VB. So I thought it's pretty nice since it was so hard to like code it. But yeah, this is my antivirus, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys later in the next video. Remember, if you liked anything on my channel, please click the subscribe button. It helps me out a lot. Also, if you are in need of a network, please click on this link to apply to Freedom. Using this link also helps me out, so if you are in need of a network, please use this link to apply today.